Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? We will be using Mango Languages now and again to do some assignments. It's a full program. It has 79 different languages. You have access to all of them. So if you feel like learning another language other than Spanish, feel free to look at some of the activities in the other sections. You can also add family members if you have a family member, and you can add an account for family members. So I'm just going to show you how to get logged in and kind of give you a brief introduction into what this platform looks like. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on login. You're going to go to mangolanguages.com, and I'm pretty sure, let me see, sorry. Yeah, mangolanguages.com. And you're going to come here and you're going to log in. Your username is your Pinewood email, complete Pinewood email. And then your password is Panthers123. Okay, so here mine is already saved in here, but you'll be putting your email, and then Panthers123 is your password. And you're going to log in. And then you should go to Learn. I've already started the Spanish Latin America program. Most of the time I'm going to give you a link so that you'll know exactly what assignment you need to be working on. You are not required, we're absolutely not going to be doing everything in this particular program, just a few assignments here and there. For my Spanish 1B class, we're going to be working mostly in Unit 2, which is called Connections, and for Spanish 2 Accelerated, we're going to be working mostly in Unit 3, which is called Community. And so I'll just do a demo in this particular unit. Each unit has so many chapters. This particular unit looks like it has 9 chapters, and within each chapter there are a variety of activities that you can do. Most of the time I'm going to send you, or always I'll send you a link, and that will be the assignment that you'll have to complete. But just to kind of give you an idea, this is a very similar platform to Duolingo if you've ever used that platform. And you'll click on the activity, and then you'll just go through. First it'll give you the goals for that particular lesson, and then you can click start.
Listen to the informal way to say,
and just
I
move.
saw you with my cousin yesterday.
Just move through the program. Okay, and so that's kind of it. I'm going to go back now. If you want to change your password, you can go to your profile, and then you can change your password right here. You can also click on family profiles, and that's where you can add a family member. So let's say you have a family member that is interested in learning one of the languages on here. You can add them on here. Okay, I will not get the information for them. I will only get information for things that you complete. So you can also go back just to give you an idea of all the different languages that they offer. We're in Spanish Latin America, but there are quite a few different languages that you can study if you can see all of these. Okay, so that is a quick intro into Mango Languages. Again, if you have any questions, you can always email me. I hope you enjoy using it.